Hi, Wrecker friends. This week we're talking about weather, so I found a really fun Blue's Clues book to read called Blue's Windy Day. I'm nice and cozy in my house, and I'm in my bedroom, which is a really fun place to read books. So you should get cozy too. Now, there are a couple of other kids in the room with me, and this is how they talk. Meow. So if they're not being good listeners, I'm going to show them this. Do you know what this is? Yeah, that's right. This is the shh card. Okay, so far so good. They're being quiet. Here is Blue's Windy Day. Wow, it sure is windy. Blue and I are excited because we've been waiting for a day like this to try out our new sailboat. Hey, would you like to sail our boat with us? You would? Great! It's sailing! Cool! Now it's sailing even faster! Oh, I get it! The harder the wind blows, the faster our boat goes. Cool. Let's see. What else can we do on a windy day? Yeah, we can watch the wind push the clouds across the sky. I'd love doing that. What about you, Blue? What do you want to do? Oh, great. We'll play Blue's Clues to figure it out. Uh-oh, it looks like the shovel is having a little trouble building a sandcastle with all of this wind. The wind keeps blowing the sand away. Hey, shovel, if I put some water on the sand, maybe it won't blow away. Good thinking, Pail. The wind is blowing really strongly now. Look at my flag waving in the wind. Look at that wind blowing the dandelion seeds around. I thought I saw Blue coming here. What? You see a clue? Where? String is our first clue. What do you think Blue wants to do on this windy day with string? We better find the other two clues to help us figure this out. Hey, someone's knocking at the door. Well, let's go see who it is. Look, Magenta is here for her play date. Come on in. Hurry, Magenta, the wind is blowing everything around. Will you help us figure out what's not where it belongs? You will? Thanks. Oh no, look what happened to the phone. It came off. And look what happened to the lampshade. It blew off. And there's leaves coming in the house. Whew. Thanks for all of your help. We fixed the phone and we put the blocks back together. Anything else? Oh, the lampshade. Which way did it go? Oh, toward the kitchen? Let's go. We found the lampshade. Good work. What's that? A clue? The spoons are a clue. Now, what could Blue want to do on a windy day with string and spoons? I don't know about you, but I can't wait to find our last clue. Look, Blue and Magenta are coloring a picture together. Can you tell what it is? Here it is. I think I know what it is. Do you know? You see another clue? It's the wind. The wind is our third and our last clue. You know what that means? It's time to go to our thinking chair. Do you know what it is? String and Spoons? So what do you think Blue wants to do on this windy day with strings, spoons, and the wind? Spoons blowing in the wind make noise, don't they? Do you want to make a wind chime, Blue? You do? Cool, we just figured out Blue's clues. Our wind chime is done and ready to hang. Now we'll have music whenever the wind blows. Thanks so much for your help. You know what they did? They made a wind chime with spoons and hang it outside so that when the wind blows, the spoons will bump together and they'll make some sound. It might sound like music. It's called a wind chime. You can try that at home. Just find some string and some spoons and something to hang them on, like maybe a pencil or a stick. That'll sound really cool on a windy day, friends. All right, that's all for now. Bye.